Like me or not, I don't care. As long as your like doesn't pay my bills, then please move on with the hate. It's your choice. Gossip me or not, I don't care. Call me names or not, I still don't care. You are being this, that, whatever. I don't care. Say whatever thing you want to say. I don't care. As long as you don't pay my bills, as long as you don't take care of my well being, you don't know what I'm doing, you don't know what I'm feeling, then your opinion in the journey of my life does not matter and it doesn't count.